Bubba's Cookhouse. As you saw the poll we did a few months ago, we got the fried turkey and the smoked turkey. Now, we're doing the smoked turkey. Let's get to it. So I got 8 ounces of chicken broth here. I like to use, you can pick this up, Mad Max turkey seasoning. That's what I like using my smoked turkey. It's like Thanksgiving in a bottle. It's delicious. If you look it up, you'll be able to find it. I like to season this up heavily. That's about 2 tablespoons there. Take a whisk. Work this together. Now I'm going to put this on smoker, and it's going to go for about 30 minutes a pound. The smoker about 250. I'll be using a pecan today to smoke this bird. The pecan oat mix. Alright. That looks pretty good. We got a 15-pound bird here. I don't like to go anything bigger than 15 pounds, whether I'm frying a turkey or smoking a turkey. And at that point, it gets too big, takes too long to cook, bird dries out, nobody's happy. You end up with a scene from Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, everybody have a drink for every bite you take. Not good. So here's what I do with my smoked turkey. Get you good butter. This is Kerrygold. It's pure butter. This is salted. What you do is take little dabs here. Get your hand. You're going to separate the skin from the meat. And when people complain if you smoke turkey is, well, you're going up with rubbery skin. It's not going to come out quite crisp enough. Well, this is the way you get around that. It's almost style of doing it like a Peking duck. Allows a little air circulation. You get your fingers in here. Be careful, you want to rip it. You just want to take your fingers and walk down. Glove up when you do this. You see if you get down in there good. Press around. You can see from this side. There we go. Get that membrane to separate a little bit. Kind of work it in. And get your hand in there. Side too. Now, what you do is take pats of butter, stick them in there, just like that. And we're going to set this in the fridge after we're done overnight. We'll put this on smoke early in the morning. That way it's done by dinner time. Now, this bird being 15 pounds, we're looking at about, let me do quick math, somewhere around 8 hours. But do keep check. Basically what you're going for is 160 in that breast meat. At that point, it's done. A couple more pats of butter here. You can get down in it. Get down this leg too. You get this little crevice between the breast and the leg and the thigh. Get some butter in there also. Butter starting to melt together. Good butter will melt quick at room temperature. You gotta be quick about this. Like so. Alright. It's good on the butter. Now we're going to inject this dude. Where's my injector? There's my injector. Keep it out of view. Give it a good stir up again. Full draw. Get that back here in this breast meat. As you inject, back out. Down both sides. Get down in here. Alright. Alright. Make sure you get your legs. As I'm using a pellet smoker, it's a little more humid environment, so you don't have to quite worry about your bird drying out from that point. Not like you would in the oven where you got to constantly baste it. Now, we will hit a couple times with a brush with a little melted butter, just make that skin nice and pretty. Get down this thigh here. Get this thigh. Alright. Pretty good. Now take our Mad Max, flip the bird up, start seasoning the backside. Rub that in. Kind of pat. Don't lose too much. Just put it in. There we go. Right, one thing I like to do, I like to take me a mirepoix, celery, carrots, and onions, chunk them up pretty good size. I like to stuff the cavity with those. What that helps do is when those heat up, as they're aromatics, it'll season inside that meat even more. I got some here, onions, celery, and big chunks of carrot. So we'll take these down the side here. Don't be overly full. Like so. Alright. A couple slice onion in there. Alright. Now that our bird's seasoned and stuffed, we're going to truss it up. Maybe some butcher's twine. Cut us off a piece here. So you sharpen the knife a little bit. Take this. Tie a little loop. Like so. Wrap it around wing. And you have to break his wing a little bit. Get up underneath, back up into itself. If you do this right, there we go. Bring it over top. Patch any skin that's torn. Back on this side. Stuff this wing up underneath. Kind of hold it. And adjust as you need to. Once you get one wrap on, usually adjust. There we go. Do one more. Keep these wings up. Well, try to keep the wing up. There we go. We'll take that, wrap it around. Tie it off. Just keep everything nice and pretty. Alright. Our wingtips are in. Everybody's happy. Get this little sack of fat back here. Push legs back inside. And that keeps everybody happy. Now we're going to put this in the fridge overnight. Get on the smoker tomorrow, 250 for about 8 hours. That's going to be one tasty bird. Hey guys, it's the next day. We had a bird in the fridge overnight, marinating all the Mad Max seasoning we put on, that butter we stuffed down inside. I got up this morning, threw it on the smoker at 250. Took 5.5 hours. Just pulled it off. It's been sitting now for about 5-10 minutes. Let's cut into this and see how it turned out. Take a little slice of this breast here. You can hear that I separated that skin nice and crisp. I basted it a couple times with melted butter and a little of that Mad Max. Backside here. You can see the juice just stream out of that turkey right there. Look at that. That is beautiful. Now, we'll have me a taste. It's pliable. It's not dry. My fingers are wet and holding it. It's so juicy. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. This finger looking good. Don't need a drink with that. Mmm. Mmm. Now that is a smoked turkey. Thanks guys for joining us today at Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. We hope you enjoy the smoked turkey and the fried turkey we did in the other episode. like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down in the corner. Tell your mom and them about us. Happy Thanksgiving. We'll see you next time.